it up and shit.
Oh my god.
You made me drop my name on this thing.
Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm here with my friends, Drika.
Hi.
Oh my god. And we is I'm sorry. Hey. And we is at, well, it's really I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's really Japanese food, but it's Korean style barbecue. So you cook on the grill in front of you. And they done bought us little chopsticks and some little utensils to cook with. So we're gonna cook our own food tonight and we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. But I'll get back to y'all once we get like some drinks or something on the table, because we just pretty much just sitting here deciding what we're gonna eat right now. All right, now we have got our food and we're cooking it now. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so I got some cheese corn butter. My mama been here before and she said this is good, so I wanted to try it. I got some pork belly, some teriyaki chicken, and some sirloin.
Teriyaki chicken and breast pudding are already on.
Breast got pork belly and what? Chicken. Brown rice. Then we got the chicken on the grill. Got that over there later too. Drika, what you get? Chicken? Teriyaki?
And pork belly. Healthy rice.
Healthy rice. You said healthy rice?
You ain't got.
I got some fried
How
rice.
gotta cook this rice?
Chicken, rice.
You know what you want, breast?
Well, breast and broccoli in it. No, that's my okay.
They got broccoli? Ew. I said I like broccoli.
This shit stink.
It do not
It
stink.
smell like raw ass pussy.
No, he do not. He has no clue.
It's like duck water.
I got pork belly, teriyaki chicken, and
They don't
sirloin.
stink to y'all. That's like a lake.
No.
No egg. No egg.
Oh, that's a big one.
Share.
Yeah.
I can share with you.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, they got a
But you can put it right here.
Don't touch the pot, alright?
Yeah.
my phone.
Thank you. Y'all can get some. It's a big thing of it. I got my thing.
What is that?
The fried rice. My rice is huge, y'all. Look how big it is. No, y'all can get some of my rice. Y'all see how big this rice is. We can share this.
Yeah, give me some of that. That's like popcorn.
I only got one bowl though.
How long we gotta cook this?
Look at. Or do your spoon and see how far it goes to the bottom now. We don't want to cook all your rice.
No, this is a lot of rice. I'm sure y'all can share this.
It got onions in it.
Yeah, I got onions. You can get some. It's a bowl right here too.
How long has that cook our rice?
You don't cook your rice, do you? No, cook your rice.
You just. So we just eat it like this?
The rice.
That shit don't look no fried. They look like oatmeal.
It's true. That's how I
Let's talk about this rice is like oatmeal.
No, girl, this rice is like
That's
oatmeal.
what I was asking him. This the only rice that came fried. This rice, he said this was cooked in the microwave, but was supposed to be like syrup.
Yeah.
I'm feel like onions back. But it looks good. I'm about to get my own. I love me some rice.
No, I'm gonna feed you some of this rice.
It tastes
All
dry
right,
to
I'm
me.
cooking my chicken now.
That's what I'm saying. Need some.
Well, I'm gonna put this in there.
I want some of that.
I'm ready for you to come back so I can order some. It might be stuff
But so far, who done got their chicken cooked? It's Braxton chicken. He done cooked. Look
I
at
wish the chicken was a little.
Girl, I ain't tasted it yet.
That is her chicken. She put her broccoli on there, and this Drika's chicken.
I ain't gonna lie though. I wish the broccoli was boiled.
Ooh, it feel like it be getting soaked.
Yeah, it does.
And y'all, this rice, so far I done tried the rice and the corn, and it's bomb. The corn tastes like macaroni and cheese and corn together.
And y'all, don't get this.
That's nasty.
If you're
It's
not
dry.
if you're not a rice lover. Yeah, to me it's not bad.
This rice
It
good
needs
because I can
some
taste the
flavor.
butter and garlic in it.
My bacon, honey.
Pork belly.
I'm ready to put.
Pork belly.
I'm ready to put that Wilbur on the grill.
Not Wilbur.
What's that pig name in that movie? Babe.
Charlotte. No, that was the spider name.
In my brain.
Was Charlotte the spider or the pig? Was Charlotte's well?
The spot.
Oh, I said we was gonna put Charlotte on there.
What was the pig name? Wilbur?
Yeah, I done burnt my chicken.
Look at that.
Wait, put it back over.
Look at that shit.
First of all, I'm blaming you. Because y'all put that butter on there. My chicken was on there with that
Just like a
butter.
fucking rock.
My chicken was on there with that butter when that flame came up. Y'all look at this chicken.
Look at the little picture.
I ain't really saying I burnt my chicken because it was a flame on there while my chicken was on there. So it is a little charcoal.
Oh, your chicken didn't get burnt until after that.
No, it was still on there with a charcoal. They probably threw off the chemical balance of my chicken.
She just want to have an excuse for when she
No,
wasn't watching.
she could multitask. They were trying to
Anyway,
work on that phone and burnt her damn
I'm
food.
watching my steak down. I want to win. And that's how my steak look.
I'm trying to try
Francis
this.
said drinking to make her jambalaya.
I didn't try this right here, good old fat bag.
Pork belly.
Your ass is so freaking dramatic.
Girl, I'm scared of heat, bitch. Sit like folded up and shit. Oh my god. You made me drop my damn lipstick.
So we don't burn the place, man.
Sure would.
Pork belly.
Huh?
You want to use that spoon?
Girl, forgot I had that.
He eat with one stick. You know you can't. You know you can't pick up no grain of rice with one stick.
I did. You didn't see me go like this? I said,
Right, so you ain't doing nothing to help you out. You, on your side, you have to have a break.
Yeah, this been the hardest thing to cook so far. I keep on making flames come up. I don't even want to cook mine. That ain't you cook mine. Okay, thank you.
I'm a griller.
my shit, but I be black when you pick it up, you up there doing it.
My steak turned out good though. I'm proud of my steak. My chicken is very burnt to the point I almost can't eat it to be honest. But the steak, boom. I already done ate my corn up.
With a bitch like me, though.
A whole bunch of rice left still.
You like that?
What's all that wet shit on?
You know that's how bacon be when you take it out.
I'm about to throw this shit on my fucking phone. Get my second piece. Slap her on there, Wilbur.
Got my steak. It's the bone. Like I said, my chicken is burnt. But my steak, and excuse my nails. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all, you can see the flame on here. Yeah, I never had pork belly, but it tastes like pork chop. I thought it was gonna taste like bacon, but it don't. Branson. Now, if you would have threw something in that grill. Yeah, it tastes like pork chop. I got Dada cooking it for me because I was scared because it flame easy.
Hey y'all, if y'all want me to cook something, real something for a party, let me know.
Get my girl on the grill.
Longhorn Steakhouse.
But we about to go, y'all, because we only got the parking for 2 hours, and this has done been 2 hours.
Yeah, 10:03 now.
Yeah, we just gonna take the rest of this to go. Is it ready? Yeah, check it out. Yeah, we about to start a little altercation.
I just did 2 years and I go back.
Who this weird about to blow my lashes off?
The boy, if you want to put him on say this.
Oh, never mind. Oh, they still busting.
No, I was
Oh.
you wanted to get him into your video.
But yeah, y'all, the food was good. It was a great experience. I would come back, definitely. My food was the highest. It was like $37, but I did have 3 meats because I just want to try stuff.
Yeah,
So-
you can say if the car's still here.
Don't say that. Yeah, because we had parking. And the free parking over with. But I'm home. My car better be still here. Okay, yeah, it's still here. No, it's because she says my car's still here. I was looking. But yeah, y'all, I give it a 10 out of 10. Boom. I would definitely be back. The prices is good. The food is good. So yeah. Oh, what's the song is?
I'm doing the Soldier Boy.
Oh, I thought you was doing that. Standing at the blank page book for you.
I was doing the Soldier Boy one and she make it clap.
Clap. What is you laughing at, bro?
I got hit by a car, bitch. I see that.
You almost got hit by a car.
Yeah, it's got these fucking corners over here.
Well, y'all, this is the end of my video. I forgot to end it on camera. And check out Braxton, always acting a fool. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.